Okay, I believe I'm live. Let's see if we get people in the chat room. Let's see if we can load up this channel. Load up the live. Hey, what's going on? Left. What's going on? Can you hear me? Darling, what's going on? So you said sounds good, so you can hear me loud and clear? Okay, so let's wait. All right, cool, no problem. So let's wait until Kelly. What's going on, Kelly? What's up, Richard? What's up, Weston? What's going on, Cupcake? I'm glad to see you here because you said you missed the last one, so I'm glad to see you here, Cupcake. Kelly. Yep, cool. Richard sounds good. Alrighty. Said, what's going on? Guys, hold on for a second. My wife is calling me. Hold on. Yeah, hello? Okay. Alright, just making sure. Alright. Alright, let me too. Alright, fine. Alright, guys. So let's get this thing started. Hey, what's going on, Travis? What's going on, James? What's going on, Body? Said, Weston. Alrighty. So, what's going on, Neil? What's going on, Neil? Okay, so if this is your first time on this channel, just let you know that I am a professional investor and I am a professional trader. So this is what I do. I specialize in reading the charts, and basically I try to introduce my subscribers and try to help them learn how to read the charts too, because reading the charts literally changed my life, and I want to help people, on that journey too. So that's what I do on my channel. My channel, believe it or not, the main reason is to motivate you, inspire you, and help you get out that 9-to-5 that you are in, because I'm telling you right now, it's a waste of time. So my channel is deeper than crypto. I really want you guys to escape the 9-to-5 because it's a trap and it's a waste of time. It's a waste of energy. So that's what I do on my channel. And lately, I've been talking about the bull market. So let's check this chat real quick before I get this thing started. Richard, triple bottom. No, not at all. Okay, so listen. Lately, I've been talking about this bear market, right? And I don't know how many times I have to put my reputation on the line, right? Until you guys actually believe what I'm trying to say. I don't know, don't get this wrong, because I know that some of you guys do believe what I'm saying. But some of you guys just don't get it yet. And I don't know how many times I have to put my reputation on the line and basically say things that's happening on the chart. So for example, let's actually go to BTC. And I showed you this level on this chart way before it happened, right? So the market came to this level and bounced off this level, right? And that's just BTC. In another example, when I had a level on Tron TRX chart way before it came to this level and it bounced up. So if you get my course, you would definitely see you'll definitely see how I actually came up with those levels. But I don't know how many times I have to put my reputation on the line saying that this market is a bear market, right? And I'm not really putting my reputation in line. It's because I know what to look for, because I do this full time. And on Thursday, guys, I said to you that I'm in BTC. Hold on, let me see if I can get I'm trying to get the original one I had before. Let's see, is it this one? There we go. Here we go. All right. I said to you guys on Thursday, last week, Thursday, I said I'm in BTC, and I want when the market goes down, I'm looking to make $10,000 to $15,000. Right? I said it. I put my reputation on the line, and I said I'm looking to make $10,000 to $15,000 on BTC because we are in a bear market. I don't know any YouTuber, your favorite YouTuber, he wouldn't put his reputation on the line. You know why? Because he don't do this full time. So when I say things, it's not because I want to sound good. It's because I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So right now, I put it like this. Ever since we hit this resistance line right here, I've been calling this a bear market. So what date is this? This is in March, January, February, March. I've been calling this a bear market, right? And a lot of people didn't listen. You know, people comment on my box saying, hey, man, how can you call this a bear market? You know, the market is going up. So I'm saying, guys, you know, we making lower lows. And basically everything, we tried to hit 10,000. We couldn't hit 10,000. So I'm telling you guys, listen, instead of being depressed, right? Instead of being depressed, I'm showing you guys another way to make money. And the other way to make money is to go short, sell the market, a short-term strategy, right? So let me look at the comments real quick. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah, hit those likes. Hit those likes. Thank you, Left. Ahmad, you said finally made this chat. Thanks. This man speaks the truth. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Travis, buy his course. Totally changed my understanding the insanity. So Travis B, this is, like I said, this is Travis B. Travis B is saying this. He's one of my subscribers. He's telling y'all guys buy my course. Now I'm not even going. Matter of fact, since he actually brought up my course, because listen, guys, I have a lot of people emailed me and saying, yo, listen, man, you shortchanging yourself. That course is worth more than $150. So I thought about it for a second, and I said, you know what? All right. So I said to myself, I'm just going to up the price up just a little bit. So guys, the price is changed. It's $210 now, right? But since I've been doing this live stream since Thursday, right? Last Thursday. So this is I think my third live stream. And when I introduced this product to you guys on a live stream, it was $110. So I'm gonna keep my promise to you guys that's on the live stream. So for you guys that's on the live stream, I'm going to give you guys a 50% discount. Right? Now check this out. When this stream ends, an hour after the stream ends, that price is going right back to $210. And if you don't believe me, just go check. I do it every time. So right now, I'm gonna copy and paste the link since Travis brought it up. Since Travis brought the course up, I'm gonna copy and paste the link and put it in so you guys can actually take advantage of it. And the reason why you want to get this course because it's a brand new course. I created it last week. Number one. Number two, I'm the only guy in the crypto market that has a course that's telling you how to make money both ways, meaning when the market is going up or when the market is going down. It's recession proof, meaning that if the market is going down, you don't have to be depressed. You can actually make money, right? So I'm showing you guys that. Also, I have a lot of testimonials. Guys been emailing me. You can look at the chat, look at my old videos. People saying, yo, guy, get this guy's course. Matter of fact, let me show you one comment. Noah actually said, I bought the course. He said I bought it for 150. I would pay if it was 200, 300, 400, 500 dollars, right? This information is like freedom, which is priceless. Awesome course. Thanks for being real. So listen, I'm not saying this. You know, the people that's buying it is saying this. And the reason why I created this course is because I knew that we are in a bear market. So I'm saying to myself, why would I make my subscribers suffer? Because there's multiple ways to make money. And this is what I'm trying to, I'm trying to change the way you think. I'm literally trying to change the way you think. And this course is for people that have, you know, if you have a job, you can still buy and sell short term, hold for 2 to 3, 4 days. Like this trade right here, guys. Imagine if you was in this trade. Imagine how much money you would make. I told you on Thursday that I'm in BTC and I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand. I told you that if I take a loss on BTC, I'm okay with it. But the reason why I was okay with taking this short is because the odds is on my side. We've been going down forever. Lower lows, lower highs. There's no triple bottom. So I'm hoping I can actually wake up a couple of people. So let's go to the comment box, and I want to read a couple of comments before I keep on going. Mr. Thanks, Massa. I believe I'm saying your name right. I bought the course for 110. Thanks, appreciate it. I appreciate the support, guys. And the reason why I'm giving you guys a discount on the live is because I know you guys on live is dedicated. Because if you wasn't, you wouldn't be on the stream. So a lot of the trolls is not on the live stream. So I'd rather, you know, give you guys a break. So take advantage of that. Let me read the comments. Exposed, nice work. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Neil, this guy is literally one of the realest crypto YouTubers ever. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot. Kelly, if I could like button twice, I would, man. Thanks a lot. Koss, Ben's the man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Let's see if I see any questions. Let's see. All right, let's see. I'm looking for questions. All right. Bear Bull says Bitcoin is dead. Law Street said, great stuff, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. James says, best channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Course Fresh says, I told you I would buy your course. I'm going to do it this live stream. Thanks a lot, Course. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support, Course, because you have to understand, I'm trying to do something the honest way, right? Because I can do ICO reviews, which is not going to benefit you. I could do donations, which is not going to benefit you. Or I can do I can push affiliate programs on you, and it's not going to benefit you. Now, it's a win-win situation when you buy this course. You're supporting the channel, and plus you have the ability to put money in your pocket. So to me, that's a win-win situation, and I love those situations. Hoppy says, love your channel. It's good, man. Thanks, appreciate it. Anthony says, is this live? Yes, it's live. Ant is live. What's the best to sell into? Shane, what's the best to sell into? What do you mean by that? Cupcake says, ever since I discovered this guy's channel, I no longer crypto YouTuber channels. Watch crypto YouTuber channels. Buying your course today. Thanks a lot, Cupcake. I appreciate it. You don't understand. Like, I really want you guys to succeed, man, because that 9 to 5 is a trap. I told you right now. I told you on Thursday. I don't know any YouTuber that's put their reputation on the line like that, right? I don't know any YouTuber that is willing to say, listen, I'm about to go short or I'm about to go long, and if I lose, it's whatever. Because when I said if I take a loss on this, I said it's okay. You know why? Number one, right? Risking $1,000 or $2,000, right, to make 10 to 15, I'm okay with that risk to reward ratio. And also the odds is in my favor. So I'm always looking to have the odds in my favor. So matter of fact, let me show you something. Let me see if I can actually show you something. Let's see if I can actually show you something. I don't know if I can show you. Let me see. Futures. Okay. Man, I'm trying to open this thing. Well, I don't know why this thing's not opening. I don't know what's going on. Why can't? Let me see. I'm gonna press enter. Nope, that's not it. I'm trying to get crude oil. Hold on, guys. Hold on for a second. All right. I don't know why it's not giving to me. I don't know if these guys can actually look up crude oil. Goodness gracious, what's going on? All right, let's see if I can do NASDAQ then. Goodness gracious. I don't know, for some reason I can't get it. Let me see. Let's go to Tron real quick. Let me see something real quick. Guys, bear with me for a second, guys. I just want to see something real quick. All right, this is like crude oil, right? So let's go to the 5-minute chart. All right, so this is the 5-minute chart. All right, guys, this is what I trade during the day, right? Crude oil. All right. So in order for me to make money every single day, right, or every single week, because some days it's not going to be a winning day, a day that I win. But in order to make money every single week, I have to be able to trade both ways, meaning I have to be able to go long, buy up the market, or go short. So you see this day, the market was going up. So I'm looking for buys. Now let's go to another day, right? Okay, so this is another day. This is, this is the 6th. This is the market going down. So imagine, right? Imagine I have only one bias, right? Only one way of thinking. And that way of thinking is just buy, right? It's no way that I can actually go in the market and make a living if I only just think buy. Because the market doesn't go up every single day. So what I do every single day, I trade a crude oil, right? Sometimes I trade a NASDAQ, but lately I've just been trading oil, right? So if the market is going down, right? If the market is going down, guess what? Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go along with the trend, right? And let's look at the next day. The next day, the market is going up. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go along with the trend. And this is what I do every single day, right? And this is why I can go online on YouTube and say with confidence. I have a lot of, when you hear me talk, I talk with a lot of confidence because I'm doing this every single day. So when I come on YouTube and I talk with a lot of confidence, it's because this is what I do. And when I say BTC is in a downtrend, it's because I know how to read the chart. So when I said, listen, I'm in BTC right now and I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand off this trade, I said it with confidence because I'm trading with the trend. Just like I showed you with crude oil, right? In order for me to make money every single week, I have to trade with the trend. Meaning if it's going up, I buy. If it's going down, I sell. So BTC right now is going down, right? In order for me to continue to make money every single week, I have to go along with the trend. So most people, only thing they know is buy, buy, buy. That's it. That's all they know. But what I'm trying to do with my channel, I'm trying to change the way you think. I'm trying to say, listen, guys, it's not all about buy, 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 right? You can actually make money when the market's going down too. And also, just to let you know, if some of you guys probably are new to my channel, just to let you know that I'm not one of those old guys that's mad with cryptocurrencies and don't believe. I'm holding cryptocurrencies just like you guys, right? I'm holding just like you. But at the same time, you have to understand that I'm a professional investor. So if I see the market, the trend changing, I'm gonna go along with the trend. So don't think that I'm just a bear and I think I want the market to go down. No, I go along with the trend. This is how I make money, my money every single week. And this is how I make my money when I'm investing long term, because what I notice is the rich has multiple strategies and you want to have multiple strategies. So I'm hoping that I can wake up some people so you can actually understand how the rich operate. Because the rich, imagine the rich looking at crypto, looking at their portfolio going down and disappearing. How can they stay rich if they portfolio is going down? It's impossible. So this is why I'm telling you guys, listen, man, you can still make money. Like I said before, you know, imagine if you was able to read the market and now you in this move right here, this big move. So it looks like we going down to this low. So let me read the comments because I was talking. So let me go back to the comments and so Sean said, do you accept crypto as payment? Sean, I'm gonna give you my email address and email me, Sean. Okay, I'm gonna put my email address below. So this is for Sean, right? Sean asked me about crypto payment. I'm putting my email below and voila. So email me, Sean. Oh, let's go back up. I'm gonna look at these questions now. Ian said, I follow a lot of guys on YouTube. You are by far the best at reading charts and predicting charts. Thanks, man. And what I do, I don't really predict because I don't like using that word, predict. But I do understand what you're saying. So don't think I don't understand what you're saying. I just don't like to predict. What I do is I anticipate. I go along with the market. I go along with the market, you know. So I like to have the odds on my side. So for example, right? Let's say that you're trying to do surgery, right? I don't know, any surgery. Right? Let's say heart surgery or something, right? Let's say you have two doctors, right? One doctor, he probably only did, let's say he only did two surgeries in his entire career, right? And then you have another doctor that did thousands of surgeries. Which doctor would you choose? Of course, you're going to go with the guy that did thousands of surgeries because the odds are on your side. Because when he actually do surgery, most likely you will come out and everything will be fine. So that's when I trade, that's what I do. I have the odds on my side. And I know that the rich control the market. And when the rich is selling like this and the trend is going down like this, I have to go along with them so I can have the odds on my side. So let's continue to read these comments. Time to go long BTC 6700. No. Well, I'm not going to say no, but I don't think so. I mean, if you look at this big candle, it don't look like anything that's telling me to go long. Like I said before, our first stop, I think, is 4,400. That's our first stop. Listen to what I said. First stop. I believe we have multiple stops. I believe it will go lower than that. And I'm going to give you some examples later. So I'm going to go to these. I'm going to go to what's the best buy right now. Richard, you're probably new to my channel. So you probably don't know how to read price action yet. But right now, in my opinion, there's nothing right now that's good to buy because we are in a bear market. And BTC, Bitcoin, is the leader, right? And I believe it has more to go. And this is why I'm telling you guys, you have to learn how to go both ways, because I believe the first stop is at 4,400. And then we have another stop, I believe, at either 35 to 3,000. And believe it or not, it might be another stop. And I'm not going to talk about that stop yet. So let's go. So Annette says, I believe I'm saying your name right. What do you mean by short the market? All right. So what do I mean by short the market? I mean that, okay, it's the same thing as buying, but in reverse. So let's say that the market is going down, right? And the trend is we are in the bear market, right? And I say, okay, if this market is going down, we hit this channel right here and we show resistance. I'm looking to sell right here. Let's say I'm looking to sell right here, right? I will put a sell market or a sell stop in the market, and then when I get out, I can either press use a buy market, or I can have my target profit target price in, and they will give me out automatically. So basically, when you short the market, it's the same thing as buying the market, but in reverse. It's very easy. Trust me. It's very easy. It probably sounds complicated, but it's very easy. When you get my course, you will definitely see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go to more questions. Mega Hash. He said he's unsubscribing. Let me see. YouTube is hopeless. Mega Hash. See you later. Peace. Bye. Mega Hash must be a 18-year-old guy that is on YouTube. He wants to hear whatever he wants to hear, right? And he is no way in the world that he follows my channel, because he would see my subscribers telling you the deal, telling you, like, I'd rather have people tell you about me than me trying to convince you about me. So let's go to more questions. Gauntlet says, Ben changed my life. See, thanks a lot, Gauntlet. This is what I'm talking about. And it's just not just one. I have plenty of people saying this stuff. Thanks a lot, Gauntlet, though. Appreciate it. I appreciate you supporting the channel. Okay, Lucas says BTC is going down because of BitHub regulations. No, and I'm going to explain that. Sean, you said you emailed me yesterday. Yes, and oh, okay. If you emailed me yesterday, Sean, I emailed you back, and for some reason your email address bounced my reply. So you have to email me from a different email address, because you have a block on your email. Okay, Garnet says best money you can spend is for Ben course, hands down, life changing. If you are serious, see, this is what I'm talking about, right? This is what I'm talking about. I rather people tell you instead of me telling you. Cupcake, can I pay in crypto too? Yes, email me, Cupcake. Email me. Let's see. I'm going down to answer more questions. CJ Film says, I'm not a fan of trend trading, but I know it's foolish to go against the trend. So CJ, right? You said you're not a fan of trend trading. So answer this: if you're not a fan of trend trading, so what about when BTC was going up like crazy? You trying to say that you wasn't in the market? Because this is trends right here. This is trends. This is a trend. This is a bull trend right here. So maybe maybe I think you are new to the market, so you probably not saying you're probably not saying it right, because right now everybody makes money in the trend. That's the only way you're gonna make money is in the trend for the most part. Okay, so let's go down and Ian says, "Yup, getting your course at the live stream." Thanks a lot, Ian. Thanks for the support. Because like I said before, guys, yo, listen, I'm very transparent. I don't know if you guys saw me. It's on my channel. I showed you my YouTube channel, right? The earnings. YouTube. I make around $200 a month, not a week. $200 a month from YouTube ads, right? And I'm probably the only guy on YouTube that's probably showing you their earnings. Most YouTubers won't show you how much they make from their ads. And I told you guys, listen, man, if you want me to continue to make these videos, support the channel, because I had to be motivated. Like, a lot of people don't understand, like, YouTubers, they put a lot of time with these videos. That's why you have a lot of YouTubers, they push a lot of affiliate programs, or they push ICOs, or they push what else they push, donations, whatever. I'm trying to do it a different route, where I can have a win-win situation where you supporting the channel, and at the same time you getting a quality product that can actually put money in your pocket. Because I said this channel is deeper than crypto. I'm really trying to change the way you think, so you can escape that stupid 9 to 5, man. Listen, I never went to college, right? And I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with my life. But when I found the stock market, it was the penny stock market. I went crazy. I said, yo, this is what I want to do full time. It took me a long time. Guys, it took me like 8 years to figure out the market. 8 years, right? But the reason why it took me that long, because I didn't have nobody to help me. I was trying to do it myself. And the reason why it's good to learn, because you can speed up time. When you learn from somebody, you speeding up time. I wish I wasn't stubborn back in the days and I just learned from somebody. So I could, it wouldn't took me 8 years. But anyway, let's go back to these comments. All right, somebody said something about Tron, and I'm gonna get to Tron. So Ben, you are saying that BTC is going down further. Yes, I'm saying that. I believe. Listen to the words that I choose. Right? I'm not one of these cryptos that says this will happen. No, I don't talk in absolutes. But I believe, and the reason why I'm saying that, and the matter of fact, I will get to it later, the reason why I believe crypto will go down more. So I'll get to your question. And I'm going to get to Tron too. Let me see. What do you think will happen with Tron this month? I'm going to get to Tron. Craig Neve won't go lower than 4K. People. Okay, so Craig, you're talking in absolutes, right? You said that it won't go lower than 4K. Craig, can you please tell me, not just me, can you please tell me and my the people that's in this live stream, why won't Bitcoin go lower than 4K? Because like I said, you said it won't, meaning that you're talking in absolutes, meaning that you're saying it's a 100% guarantee that Bitcoin won't go to 4K. How do you have that power, right? And how do you how can you say something like that and predict something if you don't know what's going on? Are you behind the scenes? Let me know. Okay, so let me see what's going on. Kelly says, well, Jaffex, Kelly, Jaffex.com. Check it out. Sean, I emailed you. Sean, if you emailed me, that email, for some reason, when I reply, it bounced my email. So I don't know. Email me in another. Do you have another email address, Sean? Email me. Okay. Leonard just came in. Do you think Bitcoin will hit 5,000? Oh yes. 5,000 to me is easy. Samuel said, I just paid for your program. Thanks, Samuel. This is what I'm talking about. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything. You don't understand. Because this is hard work. Me coming on YouTube and trying to explain 10 years of experience, right? I have 10 years of experience in trying to explain it to people that are new to this. It's very hard because in a way I have to convince people, right? And trying to shift their thinking. And trust me, that's very hard. It's very hard to do that. So let's let me see. Thanks, Ben, for all your work. Leonard, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot. Hacker, he says, I see a triple bottom. What do you mean you see a triple bottom? Listen, guys. Anyway, this is a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. This is the bottom right here. Where's the? You talking about a quadruple bottom? Because this was the triple bottom right here. Anyway, listen, guys. The reason why I have this triangle on my chart is not because I wanted to have it. I care less about this triangle. The reason why I have this on my chart is because most YouTubers had it on a chart, and most YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. So this is what most YouTubers was saying. They said that the market is going to break up this channel and continue to go. It's going to turn bullish and go to 20,000, right? So in my one of my videos, I said, listen, guys, in this what we have here is not a bullish channel. I'm gonna give you some scenarios, right? So most likely, if it does hit this back of this thing, we'll see some resistance and we'll continue to go back down. Or if it breaks it, we break it a little bit and we'll continue back down. We continue to go back down. And then I said, okay. Then I say, you know what? Price might not even go to this this channel right. I mean this line right here. This upper line right here. Price might not even go to this line. And guess what? That's what happened. Because most people are wrong. That 80-20 rule that I talk about all the time, that the majority is pretty much wrong. I would never follow the crowd. Never. The rich is not the 80%. The rich is the 20%. So guys, I want to I want to actually talk about a couple of things because I was trying to go to these questions, but it's slowing me down. These questions are slowing me down. Okay, so let's talk about what I really want to talk about today, right? So this news came out today, right? And a lot of people think that the reason why the market is going down is because of this. It's not. The reason why the market is going down is because the market is in a bear market, right? Now, you have to understand, ever since I started these streams, since last week, Thursday, it's a theme that I try to use throughout the stream. And that theme is, right, the rich work together. And not only that, there's two ways the rich get richer. Number one, they have to have you work for them. Right? So if you go to your 9 to 5, that means you working for the rich. And number two, they have to set you up they have to take money out of your pocket. So in order to take money out of your pocket, they have to make you believe one thing, right? And behind the scenes, they doing another. So when the market was going up, right, these guys knew that this thing was going up. So they are selling this market and they taking money out of your pocket, right? So you have to understand that the rich is in control of everything, right? They are in control of society. They are in control of the markets. So when you have news, right? When you have news, you have to understand the news is controlled by the rich. The news is controlled by the rich. So before the news even comes out, the rich, they already know the news. They already know. So I'm telling you things that most YouTubers, I'm telling you, like 95% of these YouTubers that you watch every single day, they can't tell you this because they don't know what's going on. Only these YouTubers that you watch, your favorite YouTubers that have 60K subscribers, 100K subscribers, the reason why they are so popular because they are so good at getting views. So they would use clickbait titles. They would say things that they want you to hear, like, "Oh my gosh, the market's about to turn bullish," right? They would use different titles to gain a lot of viewers, right? But you have to understand, these YouTubers, they make a living off of YouTube. That's how they make a living. They don't make a living from the markets. So I'm telling you because I do this full time, right? Now, the rich is in control. They control everything, every single thing, right? So before the news comes out, they already know the news. They already know the news. So this is why I personally don't even focus on the news, because I know if I read the chart tells me everything. Because just like that saying says, men lie, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't. The numbers is hold on, let me put this back up. The numbers is in the chart. The charts is the numbers, right? So the news could be manipulated just like the markets, right? But you can't manipulate price. So what I'm trying to say is, if the market is going up, guess what? The market is going up. You can't manipulate that. If we are in a bull run, you can go on your chart and see that we are in a bull run. You don't have to go to the news and find out, are we in a bull run, right? Now, if the market starts to, go down, and let me see if I can move this. The market starts to go down, and now we are in a bear market. You don't have to go to the news to figure that stuff out. Everything is in the chart. So when I say the rich controls everything, that's what it is. So when this news came out, you have to understand that this is what they do. So this is what they do, right? We are in a bear market. So the rich has a certain target. You have to understand this. The rich has a certain target. We don't know the target. So the target could be 3,000. It could be 2,000. But let's say the target is 3,000, right? So throughout the when the market is going down, and until they get to the target, which is 3,000, they're going to sprinkle different news events in between. Right? And then when they sprinkle news events, what's going to happen is it's going to give them an excuse to dump more, to dump the price and sell. So let me say that again, because I think I'm losing, or I'll probably lost you. Okay, so since the rich are in control of everything, right? And the market is going down, and let's say that they have a target, because remember, they always have a target. So so let's say that their target is 3,000, right? Until they get to 3,000, they're going to have news events in between, right? So certain news won't move the market at all. So we have like small news that won't move the market at all. And then we have big news that will move the market, right? So when the big news comes out, it gives them an excuse. Let me repeat that again. It gives them an excuse to dump, because they was going to dump already, right? But it gives them an excuse to dump more in one day, right? So that's why you see this market going down. The market was going to go down regardless of news, period. But certain news gives them an excuse to dump, right? Like I said before, most people that's on this live stream, either you're probably asleep right now, and you're probably saying, there's no way this is happening. But I'm okay with that. You know why I'm okay with that? Because on Thursday, I told you guys, I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand. And if you don't believe anything I'm saying, you're just going to have to watch me make money. That's it. So I don't really care what most people are thinking right now. You just have to watch me make money. So that's why this right here, this is nothing to me. It's nothing to me. It is what it is. The market was going to continue to go down regardless. So let's go to the comments and let's see what's going on. Because I have some more stuff to say. And matter of fact, before I even go to the comments, you guys that's just if you just joined my my live stream, I'm doing a 50% discount, right? So anybody that's on the live stream right now, you have a 50% discount on my course. And the reason why you want to get this course is because it's recession proof. I show you how to make money when the market's going up and when the market's going down. And when this live stream ends, an hour from now, whenever the live streams end, an hour from then, this price will go back to $210. If you don't believe me, go back and check. So I'm gonna put the link back into the chat. And this is only for the people that's on live stream, so you take advantage. Because I'm telling you right now, you will see 100% guarantee when I end this chat an hour from now, that price will go right back up to 210. Okay, so Bill says, how much is the course? The original price, Bill, is $210, but since you are on this live stream, the price is $110. It's $110. Okay, so let's go to the questions. All right. Luke said, just bought your course. Thank you, Luke. I appreciate it. I appreciate your support. Let's go back. Let me see. Samuel, I just paid for your course. I believe I read that already. Thank you, Samuel. Leonard said, thanks for all the good work. Let me see. Cupcake said, what do you think about XRP? I will get to XRP, Cupcake. Trust me, I will get to it. I got to get to that and Tron real quick before I end this thing. Let me see. Crypto Loan says, where is the bottom for BTC in your opinion? Crypto Loan, you don't want to hear my bottom. You really don't want to hear it. You really don't want to hear it. I'm just going to give you my first stop. Actually, I'm giving you my first and second stop. My first stop is 4,400. My second stop is around, I would say 35. I have multiple stops. I'm just gonna give you my first and second. Because right now I think I'm overwhelming you guys with this information anyway. So I don't want to overwhelm you guys with bottoms and stuff. Okay, Sean said I turned it off. All right, no problem, Sean. I will email you. I will definitely email you, Sean. Ahmed says it's very possible for it to drop to 3K. Yes, I believe that too. Luke said I just bought your course. Yes, I read that already. Thanks, Luke, again. Appreciate it. All right. Let me see if it goes below 650. It says Lucas said if it goes below 6,400, it's going to screw up everything we've been working towards. Well, I'm not going to say it's going to screw up everything. It's just it's something that has to happen, and I'm going to explain in a minute. Gary, how long do you think this bear market will last? I will explain to you I'm going to go over a couple of things. MK14 says you're the best. Thank you. Appreciate it, Ben. Appreciate it, MK. Chosen says, thanks for your videos. Thanks for your videos. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. So, what's it called? Blah, blah, blah. I'm trying to read this stuff. Jay Garcia says, good stuff, Ben. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Rosalie says, can I pay you in tears? What do you mean tears? You mean you crying right now? Oh man, this is funny. Good time to buy Tron. What? Good time to buy into Tron or BTC? Oh, you asking me? Okay. I don't. In my opinion, I don't think so. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but no, because we in the bear market. And I believe we are going lower. All right. Put it like this: it's never good when you have a market with low volume, and next thing you know, you see high volume, and the volume is actually going to the downside. That's not good. Okay, so let's go to another question, and I'm going to go to something else. Anthony, I also appreciate the video. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Carlos, Big Ben, you are a great mate. Thanks a lot, Carlos. Carlos, where you from? You from UK or Australia? Let me know. Luke says, appreciate your hard work and honesty, Ben. Deserve a piece of a pie. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. All right. Do you think a potential stock market crash will negatively affect the crypto market? Well, the crash will it affect the crypto market? It's a possibility, but right now the crypto market has its own issues. So it seems like the stock market don't even need a crash because crypto is crashing without the stock market. So let's go to let me go to let me go to the reason why, the 5 reasons why I think the market is going to continue to go down. Right, and I thank you for everybody that's supporting this channel. Thank you for buying this course. Like you said, you see it for yourself. The people that bought the course, they said it's a life changer. I'm not saying it; they saying it. So I definitely appreciate everybody supporting everything. And you have to understand that most people don't understand that the purpose for learning is mastery, right? You want to become a master at whatever you're trying to do. And most people, when they get into something, right? For example, crypto, all they know is buy and hold. How can you actually become a master with a buy and hold strategy, and that's all you know? You have to know more than that. So that's why learning is very important, and the purpose of learning is not just to learn. The purpose of learning is mastery. So you can actually become a master. And when I said it took me 8 years to get to the level that I'm at right now, you have to understand I was chasing mastery, right? I was trying to become a master because I have the ability now to travel the world and make money anywhere I go. As long as they have Wi-Fi, I can connect to my computer and make money. That's what you call a master. And I'm not saying that I'm a full-blown master, but I have enough skills to make money and travel anywhere around the world, open my laptop and make money. And that's what I want you guys to do. That's why I said this channel is deeper than crypto, man. I really want you guys to escape that stupid rat race, right? So let's get to the 5 reasons why I think Bitcoin will continue to go down. This is why I said with confidence on Thursday that I'm in BTC and I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand, right? Oh, matter of fact, before I even get to that, let's go to Tron and BTC real quick. I'm on a 5-minute. Not BTC, Tron is something else. Was it XRP? All right, here we go. All right, so Tron. So the guys that, if you notice, if you have been following me, you know that for a good week and a half, I've been making Tron videos, telling you guys that we are in a bear market, and if you have a short-term strategy, please make sure you take profits. Listen, yo, guys, this is what I do. So when I tell you to take profits, it's not because I'm telling you to get out the coin. What I'm telling you is just take a little bit off the table. I'm not saying that you have to sell everything. You don't have to sell all your Tron. I'm just saying take some profits, because I knew we was in a bear market, and I knew it's a possibility that we can pull back. So if you have been following my videos, you know that we had this resistance line right here for the longest. We hit it the first time, and sellers came in. That's how I knew this resistance line was real, when I saw sellers come in. Right, we went back up. I thought we was gonna go back and at least break this high, but guess what? Sellers came right back in, and next thing you know, we haven't gone up to this resistance line, ever since. So this stuff, what I'm telling you, is real. I'm showing you in real time. See, that's the difference between me and other YouTubers. I'm showing you guys this stuff in real time before it even happened, right? Before it happened. So once you get my course, I explain everything. I explain why I have these channels why I have these resistance lines, why I have this area right here. I explain everything. So TRX looks like it's going down with BTC, and if BTC continue to go down, guess what? Tron is going to continue to go down too. So let's look at XRP real quick. XRP. All right. All right. So I don't know if you remember, I don't know if you guys remember when I was saying about XRP, right? This is what I said about XRP. A lot of people was probably got excited when they saw this run up right here, when they saw XRP. And remember what I said in my video? I probably posted this last week. I remember. I said it took XRP 5 days to go up, right? You have 1 green bar, 2 green bar, 3, 4, 5. 5 green bars, right? And if you look to the left, you have 1 green bar that is the same length as this. So it took 1 day to do what it took, basically, 5 days right here to do. So you have to understand that when I saw this right here, when I saw the market go up 5 days in a row, and it only went up just not that much. The high of this is 60 cents, and the high of this is 70 cents. So this 5 day move was a 10-cent move. And if you know anything about cryptocurrencies, that's not good at all. So I said to you guys, that's XRP holders, which I hold XRP too. So don't think I'm just a bear, guys. I'm holding crypto too. So when the market was going up, I said, guys, this looks weak, because it shouldn't. If something's going up for 5 days straight, we should see this thing go up like at least to right here, So I said this looks weak, and that's what you see. Now you see Bitcoin going down, and then you see XRP going down too. So like I said before, XRP, these lows right here, is going down to the well. It looks like it's going down to these lows. So I wouldn't be surprised that it wipes out these lows. So you have to understand that the market loves to test the lows of the swings. So this was the last swing, right? This is the SEC meeting, the last swing. It's a lot of stop loss below this candle right here. A lot of it, a lot of money behind these candles. So the market, I believe the market is going to go below this to stop everybody out, because a lot of people after that SEC meeting, right, thought the market was going to turn bullish, and they put their stop loss below here, below this candle right here. So I believe the market is going to go right below this candle and test that and stop everybody out, because the market is designed to take your money. Let me say that again, because like I said before, I don't think most people understand. The market is designed to take your money because the rich control the market. And I told you before, my thing, right? The thing I push in my live streams is there's two ways the rich makes money. By you working for them, or by them taking and by them taking your money. So in order for the rich to stay rich, they have to continue to take your money. So that's why the market is designed to take your money, because they have to take money in order for them to stay rich, right? So what I do, since I'm a professional trader and investor, what I do is I go along with the rich. I never fight against the rich. I never do. Because I know the rich will always take my money if I try to fight against them. So right now the market is going down, and I'm going down along with them, because if I don't, they're going to take my money. So this is what I'm trying to, I'm trying to change the way some of you guys think. I know some of you guys won't get it, or you just still stuck in the buy and hold phase. And I know I won't wake everybody up, but I know some people will wake up. I know some people. I know it. And actually, I know it because I saw some proof. You know, people say, listen, God, you woke me up. You woke me up, man. So let's go to the five different things why I believe cryptocurrency will continue to go down. So let me go to the comment box real quick before I even touch this. B Thomas, I believe I'm saying your name right. He says, sorry, just joined. Okay, Thomas, if you just joined, anybody just joined my channel, take advantage of this this discount right here, because the original price for this thing was 150, but now it's 210, because people have been emailing and saying, yo, Ben, you shortchanging yourself. You can sell this for $300, $400, $500. So I was like, you know what? I just raised the price just a little bit. So 210 is now the price. Now, only for the people that's on the live stream, you get a 50% discount. 50%. And after the stream, this thing is going an hour after the stream. This is going right back to 210. So take advantage of this. So I'm gonna put this link right back to the chat room. All right, so let's go to the questions now. All right, so Carlos says London. Yes, because you said mate, so I knew you from one of those, you know. All right, cool. I'm glad to have you, Carlos. Glad to have you. All right, Sally, people don't want to hear that their favorite Beanie Baby is a scam. Brand power is key. Exposed is funny. True, thanks. What's up, Ben? What's up, Sean? Let me see. Just got your course. Oh, thanks, Mr. Sandy. Thanks. He said he just got my course. I appreciate it. He said definitely worth every penny. See, guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'd rather have people talk about my course than I talk about it, because I'm just a person. When you have the people talk about it, then it's better. It's better for everybody. So he said it's worth every penny. You've been out all day. I'm glad to see you on the stream, because I know that Sandy, I know that you said that you missed the last live stream, and I'm glad to see you on it. Sean says, is this course just for swing trading? Yeah, it's for people that's got 9 to 5. It's not day trading. So because most of my subscribers have a 9 to 5, so they don't have the ability to sit on a computer and day trade, right? So this is for people that has a 9 to 5. So basically, you're going to be holding your crypto for maybe 2-3 days, anywhere from 3 days all the way to like a week or two. And depending on if you feel like this bad boy will go lower, then you can hold it for another a month. But for the most part, what I teach is a short-term strategy, and you're probably gonna hold it for like maybe 3 days, a week, or 2 weeks, and you make your money. So let's continue to look at these questions. Need money to make money. You need education and skills to make money. Because if you look at the people that actually win the lotto, 70 or 80% of these guys file bankruptcy, right? They go bankrupt, and it's not because they don't have the money. They have the money. It's because the reason why they go bankrupt is because they don't understand. They don't have the financial education. So it's not just about need money to make money. You actually have to know. You also have to educate yourself. The rich are working together. Yes, damn right they're working together. Thomas, yes, I said it on Thursday. I'm in BTC. I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand on BTC. I don't know any YouTuber out here is willing to risk their reputation like that. I told you, honestly, when I was on Thursday, I told you that I think, let me see, we're in June, right? I said I thought maybe in July or probably early August, we probably see the market continue to go down. I didn't think the market was going to go down this early. Tell you the truth. So it's better for me, but I'm just letting you know I didn't think the market was going to go down like this early. But it was time anyway. It was time. So let's go back to the just Ian said, just got your course. Thanks a lot, Ian. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Chosen said, I'm going to dinner. I'm going to be late for dinner. I don't want you to be late for dinner, please. Let me see. How do you go down along with the market? You sell the Randy. You sell the market, so you will sell it. It's basically the reverse. So instead of buying it, you will sell it. So you can use BitMEX or you can use JaffX.com, and everything is in the course. Thomas says he just bought my course. Appreciate it. Truth Seeker says telling the truth. Good live stream. Thanks a lot, man. Thomas says you the man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Ben, I emailed you. Turn it off. Bounce. Okay. I will let you know, Sean. I will let you know as soon as I get off this live stream. I'll let you know. Okay. Trust me, you won't miss out, Sean. I got you. I know that you on this live stream, so I trust me. I definitely know that you will definitely get this discount. Trust me. First rule, blah blah blah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm reading these comments. Okay, Jay Garcia says, I know a little bit about trading, but you know what you're talking about, and I believe your course will be very helpful and valuable. Going to purchase your course right now. Thanks a lot, bro. I appreciate it. You understand. I appreciate it because you understand. It takes a lot of energy out of me because I know that I'm talking to a lot of people that are new to this. So trying to, you have to understand, YouTube has a lot of BS. And the reason why it has a lot of BS is because these YouTubers, they make a living from YouTube, right? And I showed you my earnings. My earnings, I make $200 a month. $200 a month from YouTube ads. So I don't make no money from YouTube, right? So these guys with these 60K subscribers, 100K subscribers, they have to feed you what you want to hear, right? Me, I'm trying to do the opposite. I don't want to feed you what you want to hear. I want to feed you the truth. How that's gonna benefit me if I feed you what you want to hear. And I do this for a living. Like, I can't do that. If I do this full time and I'm feeding you something that you want to hear, that doesn't sit right for me. You know, to me, that don't sit right. So I have to tell you the truth, no matter if I don't get that many views or not. Let me see. Thanks, man. I appreciate your response, brother. No problem. Keep up the great work. Yes, thanks a lot. I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody on this live stream. Jay, I just bought your course under group. No problem. Thanks a lot. Jay Garcia. I appreciate it. Trust me, this course will definitely blow your mind. I bought your course. Gonna listen. Course Fetch says, "Yo, Ben, I just bought your course. Gonna have a good listen tomorrow. It is possible to send you an email." Yes, you can send me an email. Of course, Fetch. You can send me an email, no problem. Let me see. Woke up at 5:30 a.m. in China to watch your live stream. Yo, bro, thanks a lot, man. You provide great knowledge. Thanks. Oh, no problem. China, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. So Rosalie says triple bottom. Yes, triple bottom. You said triple bottom or descending triangle. So basically, it's not a. In my opinion, it's not a triple bottom. Kelly Good says, "Hey, thanks for the course. No problem. Thanks for your support. Actually, thank you." So Rosalie, back to your question. Triple bottom. Okay, so a lot of YouTubers. This is why I drew this channel right here. A lot of YouTubers that they claim that they know technical analysis. They saying, "Oh, this is a triple bottom, and we're gonna go up." No, this is not a triple bottom because this would be one, right? This would be one bottom. This would be the second one, and this would be the third one right here. So where's the triple bottom? Unless we just bounce up out of nowhere, you know. And I told you guys when I took this trade, right? I said, listen, if I take a loss, I'm okay with that because the odds is on my side. I'm willing to risk 2 G's, right, to make 10 to 15. I'm okay with that because the reward is much higher than my risk. And I know if I take another trade, most likely that trade will work out and it would take care of my loser. So I don't care about losing. And I'm probably the only crypto will tell you that. All these cryptos will only show you winners, winners, winners. I said, look, guys, I'm okay with losing if I lose on this trade, but I knew the odds was in my favor. So right now, the market is going down, and it looks like, to me, it looks like I don't see any buying going to come in no time soon. Now, can you say is it possible buying will come up and reverse this market? Anything can happen. But me personally, I don't see that. I see them going to stop out people that put they stop loss below these swings. That's what I see. So anyway, guys, let me, because I want to end the stream soon because I try to not to make these things too long because I know some people can't make the stream, and you know a lot of times they just like, I notice a lot of people, they probably watch for a good hour or so, the most an hour and a half. So I don't want to make this too long. So anyway, let's go over the 5 different reasons why I believe the market will continue to go down. Number 1 is the obvious reason, right? Well, I guess it's obvious to me because I do this for a living, right? But we are in a bear market. The market continue to make lower highs. It's down. It's below the EMA. It's below the moving average, right? It's showing resistance every time it hits this level right here. Well, when it hits this level right here, it showed resistance. It couldn't even go to 10,000 in reverse, and it's going down. So that's one reason why I believe the market will continue to go down. The second reason is this, right? Bad altcoins. So in my last, actually, let me see if I can go Yahoo Finance. S&P. Full screen. Okay, so I'm trying to go back and show you guys something, right? Okay. Right now my computer is freezing up a little bit, so just give me all right, cool. All right, so now we are at the second one right here, which is bad altcoins, right? So in my last stream, I asked my the people that was in the stream, do you think that it's possible, right? Do you think it's possible that most of these coins that's on CoinMarketCap, right, on CoinMarketCap is going to go bye-bye, meaning that they're going to die out, and you know, they're going to pretty much disappear. And for the most part, everyone says yes. I think 90% of these coins will go bye-bye, right? They will die. So I say, okay, so since you are on the same page that I'm on, in order for those coins to die, in order for those coins to bleed and disappear, the market has to continue to go down. And I'm going to show you the example, right? And in 2000, in the stock market, I'm sorry, let's go back. I'm sorry, this is the 2000. So we had this thing called the .com bubble, right? So it's similar to the cryptocurrency, right? Anybody that put a .com in front of a name, they was able to raise millions of dollars, right? And they would go on an exchange, and they would basically make a lot of money, right? But the thing is, basically, a lot of these companies didn't really have like good operations. It wasn't a lot of these companies wasn't really like what I'm trying to say. They didn't really have a real business. That's what I'm basically trying to say. They didn't really have a real business. So a lot of these companies, the reason why they just put a .com behind their name, because they knew they can actually raise millions of dollars, right? But a lot of these companies, they didn't really have a real business. So just like CoinMarketCap, a lot of these ICOs, right? A lot of these ICOs don't really have anything going on. They just want to be listed, right? So they can raise millions of dollars, so they can put money in their pocket. So guess what? The market caught up with them, right? And then the market started to crash. Now listen to what I'm about to say. In order for those guys, because only maybe 5% of those .coms, you know, survive, and they are up today. I think Yahoo was was there back in the days. I think eBay was there, Amazon. So maybe only 5% of these companies survive, right? But in order to get those companies out and bleed them out and make sure they disappear, the market had to go down a lot. So in year 2000, the market had to go down. We was in a bear market, right? Making lower lows. Same thing you seen with Bitcoin, making lower highs, lower lows, right? And in order for those guys to go bye-bye, disappear, the market has to go down. So this is my second reason why I believe the market will continue to go down, because we have a lot of corruption. A lot of these coins are garbage. So the market has to continue to go down to bleed these guys out, to make these guys bankrupt, so they can disappear. That's why regulations is coming in. That's why, you know, these guys are saying, yo, we stepping in, we putting these regulations in, and now the market is, you know, responding to that. So that's my second reason. And you have to understand that. You have to understand that. So let's go to the third one. Regulations. It's basically the same thing, right? The market right now, Bitcoin, they stepping in and they trying to regulate the market. Now the regulations, what regulation does is basically it it slows down the market. Number one, regulation slows down the market, and not only it slows down the market, it messed up the market because now you're gonna have a lot of news stories come out saying this is a scam and this was happening and that was happening, right? Because you have to understand the cryptocurrencies market is not regulated, so I'm quite sure there's a lot of things that's going on behind the scenes, and you know the government is finally catching up. So regulations is actually going to help, not help, but it's going to have the market continue to go down because a lot of news stories going to come out, and you're going to find out, okay, this company was a scam, right? Shoot, you never know. Coinbase might be doing something craziness. Imagine Coinbase, right, going under. This thing is going, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not saying Coinbase will go on. I'm just saying imagine that. Imagine, you know, things is going behind the scenes with Coinbase, and you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying imagine. So that's my third reason, okay? Now, this fourth reason is what I've been talking about all the time. The rich get richer. I mean, you know, the rich are working. The rich is working together. The rich, and I don't know what the rich is working together, right? So like I said before, in order for the rich to stay rich, they have to take money out of your pocket, right? And they know that I believe that they know that the market will go down, and they would do anything to confuse you. So a good example would be if you go on CNBC, right? They have you have Charlie Lee come on CNBC saying Bitcoin will go to what did he say, 50,000, I believe. I could be wrong, but I think he said 50,000 by the end of this year. Please let me know in the chat what did Charlie Lee said. He said 50,000 by 2018. And then you had the CEO of BitMax said Bitcoin, he sees Bitcoin at 50K at the end of this year, 2011. So Dom said, "Yep." Okay, so Charlie Lee said 50K. Okay. So you had BitMax, the CEO of BitMax was on CNBC. He said 50K by the end of this year. Right now, check this out, guys. Check this out. I don't care if they say that, you know, Bitcoin is going up, but when I hear them say 50K, I'm saying, hold up, 50K? You know, I rather them say, okay, I see Bitcoin going back to 20K by the end of this year, or maybe hitting 30K by the end of this year. You know, be conservative about it. But when you say hitting 50K by the end of this year, that's not conservative. That's like hype numbers. That's what most YouTubers do, right? They would say, "Oh, Ripple is going to $50 by December." That's what YouTubers do. They hype up the numbers, right? So when I'm listening to that, when I'm on CNBC and I'm listening to Charlie Lee say 50K, and I'm listening to BitMax, the CEO, saying 50K, and of course you got John McAfee. I don't know what that dude is saying, right? And I'm saying that don't sound right to me. That don't sound right to me because they are not being conservative, right? That's not believable. That's what I'm basically trying to say. That's not believable. They are hyping up the numbers. So why would they hype up the numbers? That's what I'm thinking. Automatically, I'm saying to myself, why are these guys hyping these numbers up? And this is the reason, now right here, number 4. The rich is working together. This is my opinion. I believe the rich knows what's going on. They know that the market will continue to go down. So what they have to do, like I said before, there's 2 ways. I'm always going to continue to say this in my stream. There's 2 ways the rich get richer. They have you work for them, right? You go to your 9 to 5. They have you work for them, and they have and another way is by taking money out of your pocket, right? in order for them to take money out of your pocket, they have to have you to believe believe something, right? And behind the scenes, it's the opposite. So they tell you one thing, but behind the scenes is another. So I'm saying to myself, these guys are saying 50K, bro. Even the people that are, bullish right now, they don't even think Bitcoin could hit 50K by the end of this year. So why are these guys talking about 50K? It didn't sound right to me. It just sounds like a whole bunch of hype. So I'm saying, okay, do these guys want us to think one way so they can actually continue to take money out of your pockets? Because you have to understand that the rich are very good at saying things that you want to hear. The rich is very good about with that. So they love to say things that you want to hear. So I'm saying to myself, man, are these guys really working together and trying to say things that we want to hear because they know the market is going to continue to go down? So that was just one of my opinions. Okay, and then the last one is the Google Trends, right? So let's go to the Google Trends. I think I got it somewhere around here. Nah, I don't have it, but I'm gonna bring it up right now. I don't have it, but I'm bringing it up right now. Google Trends. Right, Google Trends. We're gonna type in cryptocurrencies. And guess what? You see how it's going down? No interest. Nobody is going on Google and typing about cryptocurrencies. So those are my 5 things. Those are 5 reasons why I believe Bitcoin will continue. Now these are my 3 main reasons why, right? These are my 3 main reasons. Number one is this is the reason why I believe market will continue, because we are in a bear market. But these are my 3 strong reasons right here. And the rest is just, it is what it is. So I don't want to drag this stream too long. Let me go to the chat box to see what you guys are saying. Damn, a lot of questions here. Sheesh. All right. Blah, blah, blah. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Noah says, hey, what's up, Noah? How's going on, Big Ben? Your folks, you folks should invest in the program. It's amazing. Everyone invests in crypto won't invest in a good program, which costs nothing. Buy. It's he said it. Thanks, Ben. Okay, see, Noah. This is Noah. This is a person that bought my course. This is what I'm talking about. I'd rather the people talk for me instead of me trying to talk for myself. This is Noah. He bought my course. Thanks a lot, Noah. I appreciate everything. So let's go back. Let's look at some more questions. How much do you recommend someone should start out? Sean, you said how much do I recommend? It's up to you, Sean. It's up to you. It's up to your budget. It's up to how much you're worth, how much you're willing to spend, how much you're willing to risk. Of course, you don't want to risk everything, but like I said, it's up to the person. One of the platforms that I recommend, you can start with $50. You can fund your account with Bitcoin with $50, but of course you don't want to start with $50 because how much can you make with $50? But I'm saying you can start with $50. That's what I'm saying. Randy says, thanks, man. Appreciate it. No problem. No, let me see. Let me look at these. Let's see. Tron, you said Tron is not going nowhere. Do you think Tron will go away? You said, do I think Tron go away? Like I said before in my last stream, I don't think so because it's top 10. I hope not. What's up with the absolutes? What Bill? You said absolutes. Tell me what absolutes are you talking about? Let me know. Hey Ben, how long do you think the bear trend is going to? I'm going to answer your question. How long the bear trend? He did say 50K. Yes. Okay. Okay. They said the BitMEX CEO is a crook. Pump and dump. Yep. 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 The rich are good ripping off our money. Of course, the rich is good. They good. They real good at ripping us off. They always ripping us off. Richard Edwards says just bought your course. I appreciate Richard. I appreciate. Listen, I appreciate everybody that support this channel. You don't understand. It motivates me to continue to give you guys this, quality information. Because I'm telling you right now, your favorite YouTuber can't give you this, because they not doing this full time. All they know is to go on YouTube, trying to figure out what title they're gonna use for their video, trying to figure out what thumbnail they're gonna use for their for their video, and trying to figure out what type of words I'm gonna use so I can gain viewers. That's all they do, so they can actually make money from their ads and their affiliate links. You said Cliff High said EOS is a scam. I don't know. No, I said Tron will hit. I said it's a possibility. I never said $2. I said it will hit. I think $1. Oh, actually, I just said $2, but I said it's a possibility. If you look, go to my video, I said possibility. Keyword possibility. The absolutes that Tron not going anywhere. I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. What's the best coin right now to invest? Make it quick. Listen, you said you must be new to my stream. You said what's the best coin to invest right now? We not investing in anything. Right now we going along with the market, and the market is going down, so we going down. Check out my course. My course will teach you how to make money when the market is going up or when it's going down. I'm the only guy in the crypto land that's showing you how to make money both ways. And if you're on his live stream, you get a discount. Let me see, 6. Please don't ever change into one of them, big Ben. Nil, yes, I definitely don't want to change into anybody. I want to be myself, and I am going to be myself. I honestly I don't know how to not to be myself. But thanks, Nil. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. What do you think about Tether? I don't know. Honestly, I don't trust it too much. I don't trust Tether too much. It's a possibility Tether could go down. I don't know. It's a possibility. I don't trust it too much. I usually take my profits and put it in fiat. And then when I see another opportunity, I just go right back in. I'm reading the comments, so just give me a second. I'm reading what's going on. What makes you think Tron? What makes you think Tron will hit $1? I didn't. That's when the market was bullish. Ace, when the market was bullish, right? I said it's a possibility that Tron. Keyword. Listen to my words. Possibility. I would never say Tron will hit or Tron will do this or anybody will do anything. I hate talking in absolutes because that means that you're playing God when you talk in absolutes. We don't know the future. And that's when the market was bullish. So everything was going up. So it was a strong possibility that Tron at that time can actually go to $1 because Tron was at it was like I think the 9th or 8th coin or number 6, one of the two. Let me see. Let me go up. First Walmart shopper, first time watching you live. Always had to watch the post video. Thanks for the bit. No problem, man. Listen, guys, I'm about to end this live stream. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate what's her name, Cupcake, because she told me that she wanted to check out the stream. I appreciate Cupcake. I appreciate everybody else that supported this channel. Listen, you don't know. I appreciate it because I really want to give y'all guys quality information that nobody's talking about. You know why? The reason why they can't talk about this because they're not living it. I am a listen. If you are new to my channel, I am a professional investor and day trader. I day trade during the day. I day trade the futures market, and I day trade crude oil, and I day trade the Nasdaq. But lately, I just been day trading crude oil. So this is what I do full time, Monday through Friday. This is what I do during the day. I day trade the futures market, and then I also invest in the cryptocurrencies. And I'm trying to show you guys how to make money, right? And also, I'm probably the only YouTuber saying that. Listen, instead of being depressed, I remember reading a comment. A guy said he's losing faith. I don't want you to be that guy. I don't want you to be that guy that says I'm losing faith. Forget about losing faith. How about you can make money now? You can make money now by knowing how to short the market, right? Go along with the sellers while you're still holding crypto, because you guys, you have to understand, I'm holding crypto too. So while you're waiting for that bull market, right, we can still make money. So let's go back to that question. So, because somebody asked me, how long do I think the bear market will, continue? And after this, I have to get off because I think this stream is going to be like an hour and a half. But anyway, someone asked me how long this bear market will last. I don't know, but here's the thing, right? Since we are having, regulations, it might slow down everything. So you have to understand, and this is not another reason why I'm showing you guys how to make money when the market is going down. Because check this out. In 2000, right, in the stock market in 2000, when the market crashed, right, and it tried to go right back to the highs, it took 7 years to do that, right? So the market from here to 2000 all the way to now, all the way to 2007, it went up to the high. It took 7 years, but check this out. After it took 7 years, it went right back down. So it hit the high and it went right back down. So this is what's called a sideways market, and we never experienced this, and we might experience this sideways market in the cryptocurrency since regulations is coming. You have to understand, regulation slows down everything. It slows down. That's why I don't like. I rather the crypto market. I just don't like regulations. It slows down everything. So when you look at the market, right? This is the stock market. So when we went to the highs in 2007, we went right back down, right? And this is the 2000. I'm sorry, the line right here, because this line is the top. 2013. This is when the market went back. So it took the market all the way from 2000. This is why I put this line right here, because this is when the market crashed in 2000. So all the way in 2000, it took the market 13 years to go right back to when it crashed and continue to go back up. 13 years, 1-3, right? 1-3. So you have to ask yourself, right? Because we never really experienced a sideways market, because this is another market that your favorite YouTuber can't explain to you. If we experience the sideways market, that means that you will be holding your cryptos for at least 5 to 8 years without the market going nowhere. So you have to ask yourself, are you willing to do that? Do you like your 9 to 5 that much? Are you willing to hold your crypto that long? So I'm giving you another option, saying, screw this. I'm giving you another option to make money when the market's going down and make money when the market's going up, right? That's what I'm trying to do to you. So guys, I'm about to get off the stream. I made it longer than I really wanted to, but let's see if I see one more question. Let's see if I see one more question, guys. DOM says, thanks for everything. Listen, thank you for joining my live stream. Portal Edge says awesome. Thanks for the information. I appreciate it, Portal. Decentralized said, I purchased your course. I would like to see your course. Use an example of. I did. My course shows you examples. All right. Email me decentralized if you have any questions. But my course explains everything. Okay, one more time. One more thing, right? One more thing. Okay, so Landcree says, comparing U.S. economy to BTC won't be 13 years. Yes, I totally agree with you, right? It won't be 13 years, but can it be 5 years? You know, will it be 7 years? It's a possibility because we can cut it in half, right? 13 years, of course, you can't compare it, but it could possibly be a 5 year stretch. So let's go back. This is my last thing, and I gotta get out of here, guys. I want to go back to when we had that last crash. Right, that last crash was in the high was in 2013 in November, right? The high. It looks like the high. Yeah, 2013 in November, right? Now the market went down. This is when it crashed in 2013. BTC went all the way down, right? All the way down, right? Before it even showed some type of momentum, it took BTC 2 years. So let me say this again, and I'm after this I'm out, guys. The high of this crash is in 2013 in November, right? When BTC started to show bullish signs was in 2015 in November. So that's 2 years. 2 years. Let me say that again. 2 years. So if you think that it's not a possibility that there will be another 2 year bear market, because someone basically asked me how long do I think this bear market could last. I'm telling you right now. I'm showing you history. I'm showing you what happened with Bitcoin in the past. Now, since regulations is coming in, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Since regulations is coming in, it's a possibility this 2 years can turn into 4 years or 5 years. Because regulations, what it does is it slows down the market. You have to understand, when the market was going up like this, the cryptocurrencies wasn't regulated. Right? So when you put regulations on top of something, you slow everything down, because now you have to do things by the book. Everything has to be by the book. So that's why I'm saying, you guys, do you really want to wait 4, 5, 6 years? Or do you want to make money now? And I'm trying to change the way you think. So guys, I appreciate all you guys that supported this channel today. I appreciate all the females, because a lot of times I don't even see any females that's on my chat or on my we call it on my channel, like, you know, writing comments. So I appreciate all the females. I like to see that. Cupcake and there's another female, I forgot the name. I appreciate all that. Kelly Good, so I'm downloading your course. Thank you. You said, can we see you tomorrow again? It's a possibility. It's a possibility. I'm not too sure, but it's a possibility. So okay, Ashley says, I am. I appreciate your knowledge. Thank you. So another female, Ashley. I appreciate it. I like to see that. Trust me, I like it. Because, you know, when you deal with a whole bunch of guys, man, sometimes you got to mix it up. I like to see the females. So thank you, Ashley, for tuning in. She says she's from Oakland. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you. I appreciate it. So, guys, thank you for everything. You don't know, man. Like, I really like this. I really like having a group of people that, you know, can actually sit down and have a good conversation. So if you don't have my course, check it out. This discount is only for this live stream. I guarantee you, as soon as I close this live stream, an hour from now, this price is going back to $210. So you're getting a 50% discount. 50. So guys, thanks a lot. I'm gonna put the link one more time. I appreciate everybody. And have a great weekend. Today is Sunday, so the weekend is pretty much done. But just have a great day. That's it. Have a great day. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate Carlos, Land Creed, Ashley, Cupcake, Kelly Good, whole bunch of you guys. Expose, Decentralized. Oh, Rekma. I didn't even see Rekma. What's going on, man? Rekka, what's going on? Rekka, thanks, Ben. I didn't even see you in the chat. Portal's Edge, thank you. Dom, thank you everybody. It's so many names to Rosalie, thank you Rosalie. Luke, Lucy, everybody, man, thank you. I gotta get out. I'm trying to probably get something to eat. I ain't eat dinner yet, so thank you. Carlos, thanks a lot. So guys, have a great day. Samuel said can't download the video. Carlos, email me. Here's my email address, Carlos. You need WinRAR. That's why you can't download it, because you probably don't have WinRAR. Email me, Carlos. And Sean, don't Sean. I didn't forget about you, Sean. I'm gonna email you, Ben. Will let me give Carlos who Samuel this email address. Samuel, that's my email address. Email me all day. Ken, how you doing, Ken? You said I love your new format. Going live so much better. Yeah, man. Like going live is just, I can give you guys my passion. All right, so guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and just have a great day, and try not to work yourself too much going to the the 9 to 5, man, because you definitely want to focus on developing skills so you can actually get out that rat race. Mike said just got your course. Thanks. Oh, thanks a lot, Mike. Appreciate it. I appreciate everybody that's supporting this channel, because like I said, I need some motivation to keep on doing these videos. Like YouTube is paying me $200 a month. Oh man, that's funny. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys later, and have a great day, man.